Hi. I've been sitting here under my emergency blanket, feeling very good about being here, enjoying it immensely. I've been just sitting and thinking. I was thinking about how close to the road my car is up there and how the cars have to deal with it, and wondering about some other, gravel, putting some gravel beside it. But then there's all these restrictions, and I don't want it to be like a lane. Like a entrance, property entrance. I just wanted to have a little bit of a pull-off there. But there is a pull-off on the other side, I think. And then I was looking at this bridge. I'm thinking about walking across it, seeing how it's a cedar. It's the first of the 5 cedars that are fallen across. See, our canoe is stuck under there. It got away in a flood. I wonder how much trouble it would be to walk across there. Those branches that raise up would be good for holding on to. Unless there are branches that would be right in my pathway, which would need to go, but I don't have my saw. I have my paints. I don't really want to put it on top of my emergency blanket though, because I don't want the blanket to get wrinkled. It wrinkles very quickly and it cuts it. So I have my watercolor thing here. And I have my all-weather book. I also have, this is another watercolor book. Maybe I should have painted that. I guess you're supposed to draw it first. Alright, shall we draw this? I guess I'll let you go and I'll draw it by myself and then I'll show it to you. Bye.